CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for March 30, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Fifth Third Bancorp and Advent International announced today that they have signed a definitive agreement whereby Advent International will acquire a 51% interest in Fifth Third's processing business through the establishment of a joint venture that values the new company at approximately $2.35 billion before adjustments. Fifth Third will retain the remaining 49% interest in the new company. Advent will pay Fifth Third $561 million in cash. Fifth Third Bancorp is a diversified financial services company. Advent International is one of the world's leading global buyout firms with offices in 15 countries on 4 continents. Forest City Enterprises Incorporated reported net loss for the fourth quarter was $45.1 million or 44-cent loss per share, compared with the net earnings of $12.6 million or 12 cents per share in the prior year. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 42 cents per share. The net earnings was impacted by lower gain on disposition of consolidated and unconsolidated properties. Forest City Enterprises Incorporated is a $11 billion national real estate company. Cal-Maine Foods Incorporated today reported earnings per share diluted were $1.29 compared to $2.41 last year. Analyst average estimates were $1.71. Egg prices were lower compared with the year earlier, which were at record high levels. Egg demand at retail stores was very good. However, food service and restaurant volumes were reduced because of the slowdown in the economy and fewer consumers eating away from home. Cal-Maine Foods Incorporated is primarily engaged in the production, grading, packing, and sale of fresh shell eggs. Layne Christensen Company reported net income for the fourth quarter, excluding non-cash charge, were 24 cents per diluted share, compared to 50 cents in the fourth quarter last year. Analyst average estimates were 40 cents per share. Earnings were impacted by a non-cash impairment charge in the fourth quarter of $16 million after income taxes, or 83 cents per share. This is related to year-end oil and gas reserves determinations in the energy division. Layne Christensen Company and its subsidiaries provide drilling and construction services and related products to the water infrastructure and mineral exploration markets. And now, the dividend report. Brandywine Realty Trust announced that its Board of Trustees has declared a quarterly cash dividend of 10 cents per common share, payable on April 17 to holders of record on April 3, 2009. Brandywine Realty Trust is a publicly owned real estate investment firm. Chesapeake Energy Corporation announced that its Board of Directors has declared a 7.5 cents per share quarterly dividend that will be paid on April 15 to common shareholders of record on April 1, 2009. Chesapeake Energy Corporation is the largest independent producer of natural gas in the U.S. Hersha Hospitality Trust declared quarterly cash dividend of 18 cents per common share. The dividend is payable on April 15 to shareholders of record on March 31, 2009. This is the 40th consecutive common share dividend paid by the company since its initial public offering. Hersha Hospitality Trust is a self-advised real estate investment trust and the owner of select service and upscale hotels in major metropolitan markets. Mack-Cali Realty Corporation announced that its Board of Directors has declared a cash dividend of 45 cents per common share. This new quarterly dividend indicates an annual rate of $1.80 per share compared with the previous annual dividend rate of $2.56 per share. This dividend cut will save approximately $60 million on an annualized basis. The dividend will be paid on April 13 to shareholders of record as of April 3, 2009. Mack-Cali Realty Corporation is a real estate investment trust. The Board of Directors of Air Products increased the quarterly dividend on the company's common stock to 45 cents per share from 44 cents. The dividend is payable on May 11 to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 1, 2009. This marks the 27th consecutive year that Air Products has increased its dividend payment. Air Products and Chemicals Incorporated offers atmospheric gases, process and specialty gases, performance materials and equipment, and services worldwide. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.